Hey, how's it going, guys? And today we're gonna be learning on how to start a mobile car detailing business right here today. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. You need a vehicle for transportation. It could be a car, preferably a van, minivan, so you can put all your equipment in the back of it and ride around. You're gonna need a pressure washer, you're gonna need a vacuum cleaner, you're gonna need your buffer, you're gonna need your rags, you're gonna need your buckets, you're gonna need your soaps, your what you're gonna be using essentially. That's also another thing. You're gonna want this kind of like a carpet cleaner. In the upholstery, car seats. The seats inside the car, not car seats for kids. Next step, you're gonna want to go ahead and write down a business plan. That is like Mando, very important. If you don't got that, it's like trying to push a big boulder uphill, like continuously. You know, you're fighting yourself. It's just very important. It helps you revise stuff, helps you just stay sure, like if you have any struggles or any problems, you can always just look back at that business plan and be like, that's right. You can change these business plans at any time, like whenever you want. Like they're very changeable. They're not set in stone at all. Like, if you're running a business, figuratively, you want to change that shit tomorrow, the price, whatever, change it. Who's gonna stop you? Some of the things that kind of you need inside your business plan are gonna be your mission statement, your vision. What exactly is this business gonna be doing? You're gonna want to have your demographics down. You want to be able to know exactly who you're gonna be marketing to. It's a mobile detailing. You're gonna be marketing to doctors, lawyers, business people. People who have money to afford this luxury. You're also gonna want to set up a marketing strategy. It is very simple and easy to do in this day and age, just because you got Instagram, you got Twitter, you got YouTube, you got Facebook, you got TikTok. It's all free organic reach for you to use to get to your customers. Yes, you can pay for the ad and easier reach in pulling in an audience or your clients. But for the most part, it's pretty organic and free just to set up. You're gonna wanna try and set up your pricing, and that can be a headache in its own if you stress on it too much, but it's very simple. Your break-even analysis chart, that's gonna help you in the long run, just because those first couple of years for businesses, you're not really expecting some of the troubles that you're gonna be facing. And then there's some businesses that don't even have to deal with that. They start the business, they're skyrocketing, they're making their sales. Hey, it's all in the business, okay, guys? Get it together. How much you're gonna be paying your employees, whether they're gonna be getting benefits or not, that's all important. If it's just you running this business, you don't gotta worry about employee pay. You gotta worry about that if it's you and a team. Also, your insurance policy. You're dealing with cars and pricey objects. Not only that, you're dealing with water and soap. Somebody slips, falls, you want to be able to help them out. It's not something you intentionally meant for that to happen, but you got to be able to look out for your team. That's just part of running a business. Let's get into the pricing of all of it. You figuratively want to get an hourly pay, but you don't want to charge your customer hourly because they're going to be like, what? I'm getting charged by the hour. It's understandable. Nobody likes to get charged hourly.
I'm just going to go ahead and do a voiceover. Feel free to read this and pause this at any moment to understand it. But I do want to say, do check your state laws for business to make sure that you are in the right guidelines, as well as understand that if you are making in the state of California under $500, it is considered a hobby and not a business. So therefore, it is not taxable. A little pro tip. All right. Thank you, guys.
That you get to take home roughly around $87.25. It doesn't seem like a lot then and there, but once you start getting your clientele rolling and you start actually looking at the numbers, you're like, I've already paid for my employee. Now I'm just collecting money. I don't really have to worry about too much. Now I just have to worry about, paying for the gasoline, for the vehicle, paying for the gas inside the pressure washer, paying for your soaps, better equipment, so you don't have to necessarily stress too hard on paying a rent for a building that you're renting out. There's a lot, PG&E, your water bill. You're gonna be going to their house and using their water. You don't even have to stress. To you guys, anybody can start it. This information was out there. I just collected it and put it into a video for you guys to have. That's how to get your feet rolling in the ball game. I'm gonna be talking about other businesses and stuff like that too later on, but here's the first one.